From prep to connect, Vermeer provides a portfolio of equipment to support solutions for the renewable energy industry. Site preparation is the first step in creating a new solar farm. Vermeer offers a complete lineup of wood processing equipment, including tub grinders, horizontal grinders, and whole tree chippers. Add in a Vermeer Compact Articulated Loader, or ATX, to the site, and you can clear away trees, stumps, brush, and other debris efficiently. When it's time to construct the solar panel site, Vermeer utility installation machines can handle a variety of ground conditions. Specialized Vermeer equipment, like trenchers and horizontal directional drills, or HDDs, are well suited for fiber and electrical installations. Installing the actual solar panels can be done efficiently after piles are driven securely into the ground using Vermeer pile drivers. After the solar farm is installed, Vermeer can help you tackle site management tasks with ease. Transport heavy solar panels and supporting materials using a Vermeer Mini Skid Steer, ATX, or pipeline trenchers. Execute construction cleanup, landscaping projects, or ongoing maintenance with the help of Vermeer ATX's mini skid steers or even horizontal grinders. Partner with Vermeer to meet the demands of today's project sites while working to build the infrastructure for tomorrow. Download our free renewable energy guide at vermeer.com/renewable for more solutions. We're always here to make sure you're equipped to do more.